From my previous video, guys, I've been working on battery powered Silver 8 from Dr. Bob Beck protocol. If you go to Silver 8 page here, bbmpulsar.org, and then you go to Bob Beck protocol first aid kit of the future. Here I have it open. On page 19 there is a schematic which describes a device for improving immune system and deactivating pathogens inside the blood. So this is his improved version of the updated circuitry for the second circuit, and I took it a step farther. I took the circuit and I modified it. So instead of having a 3.9-volt batteries, I put just one, let me show you, one rechargeable battery. Then I added a BMS, a battery management system circuit. Then I added a DC to DC boost converter. So this steps up voltage from 3.7 volt to 30 volts. And then it feeds into the circuit. This is the circuit, the latest. By the way, I still have some free circuit boards for this, which I'm giving away. All you have to do is just cover the shipping cost and you can get one of these yourself. It's been tested and I am about to start working on housing 3D printed case for this model. So let me show you how it works. There is two outputs, one for colloidal silver generator and one for micropulsing connector. They're 3.5 millimeters plugs. You can use actually two at the same time. You can produce colloidal silver and use it for micropulsing at the same time. This is intensity adjustment. The circuit is fairly small. It's 50 millimeters by 40 millimeters. This is the intensity adjustment here with the built-in on-off switch. So as you turn the dial, it will turn on. Circuit has a power LED, low battery LED. That one will start blinking when battery goes low. By the way, you should be able to get around 35 hours of use before you need to recharge it. And then there is another LED for colloidal silver. So when you're producing the silver, and when this LED is basically an indicator. When it lights up, that means you're about to finish producing the silver colloidal water. There is going to be, later on, I'll be including some things like ppm meter and laser pointer, so that you can precisely dial in how much concentration of colloidal silver you want in your batch. But this is LED for colloidal silver. And circuit overall is not expensive at all. The most expensive part here is the battery, which costs about $5. If you buy 4, they cost $5. That's including the shipping. This costs like $1, even less than $1. If you buy multiple of them, it costs even like under 50 cents. The BMS, and that costs under $2, like $1.80. And this whole circuit here, there is no expensive components on it. This costs altogether with the board like $5, and then wire maybe $1. So, and the pads, they're also cheap. It's 10s pads. You just need to cut some off because they're a little longer than it needs to be, and they're reusable. So okay, I energized the circuit. Let's take a look on an oscilloscope, the output from the circuit. Okay, so if we look, we are at 4.2 hertz, and this is divided by 10, so we're 28 volt bipolar signal. So it changes from plus to minus 4 times a second, 4.2 times a second, and the amplitude is 28 volt. So as I said, I am about to start working on a case for this. It will be a 3D printed case. I would be placing this board on the top of the battery, and these two modules will be set side by side here, so the whole unit will be fairly compact. Just want to update you guys on my progress for this circuit. By the way, if you look at the Sota Instruments, they sell a similar silver pulsar model, and there's a they sell a light version, which is just a unit, and they're asking $150 plus $14 tariff because it's made in China, and they don't want to cover a tariff, so they'll charge you. Does have other countries pay tariffs. Basically it's being passed to us, guys. We have to pay it. So, and the full kit costs $295, and there is not much in there, just the silver electrodes and a couple extra wires and holders for electrodes. That's about it. So this one is open source. If you go to my website bbmpulsar.org and navigate to Silver 8 page, I will be posting more information there, how to get it, and later on I will be offering as a full kit for much lower than what Sota offers. Okay guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, get your boards. 20 of them, first 20 boards are free. You just pay a shipping cost, and you can assemble one of these units yourself, and later you'll be able to download the 3D print files, STL files, and print your casing for it, and there you go. You can assemble everything probably for like $30 or maybe less. Don't have to pay $230 plus shipping. Actually $330, $295 plus 34 tariff plus shipping.